Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what is mean by relative frequency. Then we will see in MS Excel spreadsheet how to draw relative frequency distribution table for given data. So first, why we study relative frequency? Because we need to know the percentage wise contribution of every class interval. Here below you can see one example is there. In that example, first column colors are there. One is blue color, red color, next pink color, and frequency also we are having here. In the second column we are having what? Frequency distribution. But we do not know the exact answer of how much every colors having contribution. So to calculate this, we study relative frequency. Okay, so here to find a relative frequency, we add all frequency values, then we divide every frequency value to the total frequency. Okay, you can see the definition here. Relative frequency means what? Relative frequency is the ratio of frequency of the value to the total frequency. So it is given by the formula what? Relative frequency is equals to frequency of the value divided by total frequency. Okay, so here you can see, for example, in the first column colors are there, in the second column frequency distribution, in the third column relative frequency is there. So in the previous class already I told you what is mean by frequency. So frequency means what? The number of times an observation occurs. That is what we call it as what? Frequency. Next, frequency distribution means what? That the tabular arrangement of data showing the frequency of each observation is called frequency distribution. Okay, so next here frequency distribution showing you in that particular set of colors 7 blue colors are there, next 4 red colors are there, next 9 times pink color is repeating, correct? 7 times blue color is repeating, 4 times red color is repeating, 9 times pink color is repeating. So that is mean by what? The frequency. So next here what we need to do is first we need to add all frequency distribution value. Here you can see, so total how many frequency distribution values are here? 20 are there. Next, to find out that relative frequency, what we are going to do is, so we are going to divide frequency value divided by what? Total number of frequency. So here first one blue colors, how many times? 7 times it is repeating. So you can see in the relative frequency table 7 divided by total frequency is how much? 20. So 7 divided by 20 is 0.35. Next 4 divided by 20 is 0.2. Next 9 divided by 20 is 0.4y. Otherwise you can calculate in percentage also. So 0.35 means how much percentage? 35 percentage. 0.2 means how much percentage? 20 percentage. And 0.45 means how much percentage here? 45 percentage. So next here one note is there. See that note, the sum of relative frequency should add up to 1 or 100%. Okay, so means because when we add all relative frequency value, final we need to get 1 or 100%. See in the relative frequency you can see, if I add 0.35, 0.2, 0.45, finally how much I am getting here? 1. Otherwise if I add all the percentage, finally how much I am getting? 100 percentage. So remember the sum of relative frequency should add up to 1 or 100%. Next, we will see how to draw frequency distribution table for the given data using MS Excel spreadsheet. So for this we need the student name as well as what marks scored in that particular subject. So first what you need to do is first you need to enter student name as well as what marks scored in that particular subject. See, already I have that list, just I'm going to paste that value here. Okay, you can see first column is student name, second column is marks for maths subject. Okay, here 20 student list I am having here, so that 20 student list marks also I am having here. So next here first we type the class interval. So class interval. So here we will take the interval first 0 to 0 to 20. So next 21 to 40. Next 41 to 60. Next 61 61 to 80, and last one 81 to 100. 81 to 100. So this is my class interval. So once I get this class interval, next I need what here upper limit. Next I need upper limit. So upper limit also called what here bin. So that also I'm going to type. So bin. So here 0 to 20 upper limit is 20. Next 21 to 40 is 40. 41 to 60 in this, 60 is the upper limit. Next 80, and last one is what 100. So this is my upper limit. So once I get this upper limit, so next I need frequency distribution table. So next one frequency distribution. So I need the frequency distribution. Okay, so for that directly I'm going to add the formula. Okay, so for that what you need to do is first select the that column, then here in formula bar type equal, then type frequency. So here it will show you frequency. Okay, double click on it. Once you double click, it will ask you the data array. So data array means this marks for maths subject we need. So for that what you need to do is first click on that first cell. Okay, once you click on that first cell, next press control shift down arrow. If you press control shift down arrow, automatically that entire marks column it will take. So next comma, next it is asking bins array. So bin array means what? The upper limit list we need. So for that click on that first column in that upper limit. So again same process. Next control shift down arrow you need to press, then it will select that column. After that close the bracket. Once you close the bracket, next step is again you need to press control shift enter. Okay, control shift enter, then it will show you the frequency distribution table. So here you can see, so here 3 students are there, those who scored 0 to within 0 to 20 marks, 4 students within 21 to 40 marks, next 6 students 41 to 60, 2 students 61 to 80, then 5 students 81 to how much here 100. So means here we need the total. So first I'm going to type here total. So if I want this frequency distribution total value, for that first select that all the values including that total cell. Then here in home tab you can see auto sum option. Here auto sum option is there. If you click on that auto sum option, directly it will add all the values. So total how many values are present here? 20 values are present. Okay, so I got the total frequency value, how much here? 20. So next, after this, next I need the relative frequency table. So relative frequency distribution. Next, relative frequency distribution table I want. So yes, so next, if you want to find out a relative frequency distribution value, you need to apply the formula. So what is that formula? If you want to find out relative frequency, formula is a frequency value divided by total number of frequency. So for that what you need to do is, if you want to find out that value, so click on that cell, next type equal, then you need to select the frequency distribution first value. What is the first value here? 3. So click on that cell, automatically it will select. Next, divided by, next you need to select the total frequency value. So click on this total cell. So I am going to click on this total cell, that is 20. So automatically it will take 20, then enter. So it will show you 0.15, that is the relative frequency. Next, the same process you need to apply for remaining value also. So first equal, click on that cell, then type equal, then select that frequency distribution value divided by, select that total frequency value, then press enter. So it will show you 0.2. Similarly, third one, type equal, select frequency distribution value divided by, next select total frequency, then press enter. Similarly, next one, again same process, is equals to select that cell, frequency distribution cell, divided by, next total frequency, press enter. So next last one, again same, is equals to frequency value divided by total frequency, then press enter. So here you can see easily you will get relative frequency distribution values. First one is 0.15, 0.2, next 0.3, 0.1 and 0.25. So next what I'm going to do, next again I'm going to add these all relative frequency value. The sum of relative frequency value should add up to how much here? 1, correct? So for that what I'm going to do, I'm going to select that column, then here in home tab, so click on this auto sum option. So if you click on this auto sum option, so it will add all the values. So you can see finally how much we are getting here. The sum of relative frequency value is 1 we are getting, correct? So next, if you want in percentage, this relative frequency distribution in percentage, that also I will show you how to find out in percentage. So first top I'm going to type percentage. So next, so for that what you need to do is click on the first cell, is equals to, then select relative frequency value, that is 0.15 you need to select, then type into 100, then press enter. So it will show you 15. If you want in percentage this value, what you need to do is, so select that cell. Again in home tab, here one option called general is there. So in that drop down button you need to click. So once you click on this drop down button, so here at the end you can see more number format. So click on that more number formats. So once you click on that more number formats, in the format cell dialog box is going to open here. Okay, window is going to open. So in that number, so you need to choose the custom. So in that custom, so here, so general below 0 is there. So click on that 0, then off. So this is off, then percentage of percentage. After this you need to click on what here, OK. So once you click on OK, automatically that 15 will convert into the percentage. So see here, correct. So 15 is converted into what here, percentage. So next, if you want the remaining values in percentage, so next what you need to do is click on that particular cell at the bottom, right bottom end you can see the plus mark. So drag that plus mark, then you can see all the values you are getting in percentage. So if you want the total value, what you need to do, again select including the extra cell, then in home tab again auto sum option you need to click. Once you click, it will add all the percentage value. You can see here how much it is showing, 100% it is showing. So this means the sum of a relative frequency value is how much here, in percentage it is 100 percentage, in value it is what, 1. So like this easily you can find relative frequency distribution table for given data. Relative frequency distribution for what, given data. Thank you.